Is your phone getting hot for no reason? Whether it's during charging, gaming, or even when it's just sitting idle, overheating can be a serious issue. Let's find out why it happens and how you can fix it. A little heat is completely normal, especially when you're charging, using GPS, or playing high-performance games. Even using a thick phone case can trap heat and make it feel warmer than it actually is. But if your phone feels hot all the time or the battery drains faster than usual, that's not normal, and it could be a sign of a bigger problem. Heavy apps like graphic-intensive games can easily cause your phone to heat up. Some apps also keep running in the background, increasing CPU load and battery usage. If you have an iPhone, you might think your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are off, but actually, they're only disabled from the control center and still run in the background. To turn them off completely, you need to go to Settings and switch them off from there. Otherwise, they keep draining your battery and can cause your phone to heat up. One of the biggest reasons for overheating is a damaged or old battery. On iPhones, go to Settings, Battery Health. If the capacity is below 80% or you see a service message, it's time for a battery replacement. Android users should also watch out for heavy apps and too many background processes. Running several apps at once, especially games or video editors, can cause the phone to heat up quickly. Make sure to regularly close and use apps to reduce load on the system. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more tips on phone repair and care. And to make things easier, there's a really helpful tool for Android users called AccuBattery. It shows your battery temperature, which apps are draining the most power, and gives you insights into your battery's overall health. If you're trying to find the exact reason your phone is overheating, AccuBattery is a great way to track it down. Another important tip, always use the original charger that comes with your phone brand. Whether you have an iPhone, Samsung, or Xiaomi, using a cheap or non-original charger can cause overheating, battery damage, and even harm your motherboard. Some fake chargers may look fine, but they deliver unstable voltage that can seriously hurt your phone.